Hello, friends. Today I am going to share with you 5 things to help you meditate. I hope this will help you a lot. Now let's get started. 5 things to help you meditate. Meditation can be extremely beneficial for relieving stress, improving brain function, and providing a better sense of well-being. For those new to the practice of meditation, it can be quite challenging to start an effective process. With that in mind, here are 5 things that can help you to meditate. 1. A meditation room. Having a meditation room doesn't necessarily mean having a room dedicated to meditation only. However, establishing a space that you're able to meditate in is advantageous. Having to meditate in different areas may cause you to lose your focus and encourage distractions. For effective meditation, choose an area that is at regular room temperature. Being too hot or cold will prevent you from concentrating on your breathing. It should also be a space where you won't be interrupted by others. To be able to achieve complete bliss, ensure your space has a positive aura with lots of natural light and airy feel. For some, that might be in an outdoors area. If your meditation space is indoors, then adding greenery to your room can assist in creating a clean and natural environment. 2. Aromatherapy. While you want your meditation space to have lots of fresh air and be well ventilated, adding some aromatherapy scents can be beneficial. For aromatherapy to work well when you meditate, you don't want scents that will be too overpowering, as they can provide a distraction. Instead, try using plant scents, such as lavender, which will help you to relax. You might also want to add some lightly scented candles to soothe your mind and body. 3. Pick the right time. Generally, meditation in the morning is highly effective. However, that may not be ideal for you or your lifestyle. If you meditate in the morning, you'll feel calm and positive for the rest of the day. If you suffer from insomnia or tiredness, then meditation in the evening can be very beneficial. Try to keep your meditation practice to a similar time each day, as it will help you to establish a regular routine, and you'll notice the benefits quicker. 4. Create a goal. Ask yourself why you want to meditate. Having a goal will encourage you to practice regular meditation. You might want to alleviate stress, have better concentration, or improve your overall happiness. Whatever your goal is, be patient in observing results. It will take time to notice the benefits, so you'll need to regularly meditate. You can also tailor your technique and environment to fit your overall goal. 5. Audio. The use of audio can be extremely accommodating, especially for beginners. The type of audio you choose will depend on your meditation technique and your goals. When you're new to meditation, you may want to explore different audio methods to find the best for you. You might want to try meditating to soft music, or using an audio program like the Zen 12 Brainwave Meditation program to give you a more effective technique. Click the link below to download free Brainwave Meditation audio now. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.